In this video, I'm going to break down one of the most important indicators of profitability when it comes to automotive repair shops, the average repair order, or ARO for short. Increasing and maintaining higher ARO allows your staff to work efficiently while making the shop more money in the process. We're going to give you 5 ways to increase ARO for your auto repair shop. Number 1. Target quality customers. There are 2 kinds of customers: discount shoppers and quality customers. While providing incentives to attract new customers is valuable, you shouldn't use discounts for the sake of increasing car counts. In your advertising efforts, target quality customers, ones who know the importance of regular maintenance and are willing to invest in their vehicles. These types of customers may be willing to opt in for additional services and pay for higher quality parts. Number 2. Use manufacturer's recommendations. Treat each visit from a customer as an opportunity to provide the best service possible. Don't hesitate to educate. This means reminding customers of the recommended service intervals for their vehicles and the reasons behind the recommendations. Quality customers will take a proactive approach to taking care of their vehicles. Number 3. Inspect each vehicle. Inspections should happen on a consistent basis, even during those routine oil change jobs. Your customers choose to use a reputable independent auto repair shop for a reason. They expect you to diagnose potential issues on their vehicle when they bring it in for any service. Your national chain competitors have certainly started to take on this task, so you need to show your customers that you do it too, but with a level of care that can only come from an independent shop. It takes some extra time, but you may find that it's worth it. A thorough inspection of each vehicle will help increase ARO if you're servicing quality customers who take recommendations into consideration. Number 4. Work together. Technicians are focused on diagnosing and fixing vehicles. That's the bulk of their work. However, smart owners also train their technicians to be excellent communicators. Once a technician assesses a vehicle, they must effectively communicate any issues to the service writer. With good information up front, the service writer is able to relay important details to the customer, resulting in more sales of parts and services per vehicle. If details are missed, recommendations may never make it to your customers. Number 5. Remember the little things. It may be as small as a bulb for a dome light or a battery for a keyless remote, but those little add-on items certainly add up. One of our clients at CSI Accounting and Payroll is the number 1 customer for light bulbs for his vendor. Why? He makes sure his staff identifies if any bulbs are out on a customer's vehicle and that they ask if the customer would like them replaced. Because the bulbs are inexpensive, around $5, he finds that most customers agree to have them replaced. Those few extra dollars per thousands of cars a year go directly to the bottom line. When you follow these 5 tips to maximize your average repair order, you're in a much better position to be profitable. What comes next? CSI has specialized in auto repair shop accounting for decades since we first opened. So we know how to handle your books, taxes, and metric tracking for your industry. Want to find out if we can be a good fit for your business? Click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.